In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll be able to turn a simple idea into a polished visual in just a few clicks. First, open Adobe Express. You can launch the app or go to the website in your browser. If you see a sign-in prompt, just log in with your account so your work saves automatically. On the home screen, look for Create New, usually near the top or left. Click it, then choose AI Image. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Design from AI. Both take you to the same place, a clean workspace with a text field that powers the generator. Now type a description of the image you want. Be clear and specific. Think subject, scene, style, mood, color palette, and lighting. Instead of a cat, try a close-up portrait of a ginger cat sitting on a windowsill at golden hour. Soft, natural light, warm tones, high detail. If you need a particular layout, you can mention it in your description, like wide banner or square social post. The more context you provide, the closer the results will match your intent. When your description feels right, click Generate. Adobe Express will process your prompt and return a set of variations. Give it a moment. A short wait is normal. You'll see multiple thumbnails so you can compare composition, color, and overall vibe at a glance. Next, choose your favorite result. Open each option to preview it larger if needed, and look closely at details like edges, text-like shapes, and faces to make sure everything looks clean. If nothing quite hits the mark, tweak your description by clarifying the subject, changing the mood or style, or adding a few keywords, then generate again. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Once you've found the one you love, decide whether to download it or use it in your project. To save it to your device, use the download option and pick a format that suits your needs, such as JPG or PNG. If you're already designing inside Adobe Express, add the image directly to your canvas, then resize, crop, and position it with the standard controls to complete your layout. That's it. With these steps, you can go from idea to image quickly and confidently inside Adobe Express. Try a few prompts, iterate, and watch your concepts come to life.